What's going on, internets? It's Father Sen here. We're going to be starting a new series of tutorials and videos like that. Seems like a lot of tutorials out there go way too long. So, all mine are going to be under a minute. It's that simple. Because simple products are that simple. No long processes. You just put it in and it works. Our oils, it's going to absorb no matter which way you put it in. We'll just show you the way I use it. Look how non-tangly my beard is. That's just from the oil. So here's your first installment, how to apply beard oil. Thanks for watching. How to apply beard oil. Gonna rock that sloth today. Shake your bottle, unscrew your bottle, take a dropper full. If you got a smaller beard, maybe about a half dropper full. Go between your hands. Up and in. Done. That's all you got to do. Not that hard. Fastest tutorial you're going to get. That's how you put beard oil in. See? Wasn't that painless? It's that simple with our products. It is that simple. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down there. Let's see if we can at least get 10 likes on this. We get 10 likes on this video, we'll do a giveaway of Sloth. Sloth is not out yet. This video gets 10 likes. We'll give away a bottle of Sloth. Remember, sinful. Second to none.